Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can send unsubscribe confirmations to your subscribers, the final goodbye email to let them know that they have unsubscribed. So what you want to do is just click on audience, and when you're going to be here, you want to click on a view contacts, and in view contacts of your audience, you want to click on settings and audience name and defaults. When you're going to be here, you want to scroll down and you're gonna see send unsubscribe confirmations to subscribers. So this is where you got it, and this is how you do it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. What I also recommend is recommending to send a final welcome mail. That's pretty good. But yeah, this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, guys. I'll be happy to help you. And goodbye.